Right, guys.
We are going to do Candyman challenge. This is an abandoned place. Yeah. It's an abandoned
What's up, guys? It's your boy. What's up, guys? Yeah, what's up, guys?
Yeah.
It's your boy.
So we're gonna go.
What's up, guys? It's your boy, Black Radio. Today we're playing some Pac-Man.
Right, go.
Yo, what's
Bro,
up, guys?
so dark. Wait, did you guys actually hear that? There was something that went.
Smells like shit in here.
You smell that? Something went. Like, I'll even put that shit on replay. Go.
Yo, what's
Go.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy.
Where? There's no. Oh, wait, there's a mirror. Look at the crack. Oh, shit. Shit.
Go,
Guys, it's a mirror. It's a mirror.
Ready? Everybody vlog.
It's Marilyn Monroe.
Bloody Mary.
Oh, fuck this shit.
Bloody Mary. Don't be pussies, come on.
Do it, you can do it. You're gonna die.
It's not dark enough.
Okay, do it.
It's not dark enough.
Okay guys, if you listen closely you guys can hear a scream.
Okay, do it.
It's not dark enough. It's not dark enough.
Okay, do it.
It's not dark enough.
Do it.
Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
Okay, so at this point the moan got bigger and we actually heard it this time. So yeah, we kinda actually freaked out.
Guys, the only place Bloody Mary would be is the girls' toilets.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go see her. Come on. She knows she wants to see us. Ladies' toilets.
I got such a rush.
Gee, boy, the girls' toilets look way terrifying than the boys' toilets.
Go, look.
Sanjay, you scream so much. Shut up, man. God.
What kind of mirror is that?
I can never take a shit in there. Everybody, it's time for fine take.
I am not going in there. I am not. What the fuck is that, dude?
We're like the first guys.
Bro, all you see is that bro just
That's you, shut the fuck up.
who the fuck is doing that? That's not even.
Stop ruining our vlogs. Once I made a
Flashlights on, everybody, flashlights on.
One time I made a Slender Man video and it was doing so bad, so it's got some fake notes.
Subscribe to his channel.
YouTube.com/boy.
Gee, I got you guys a scary story.
Okay, let's go, guys.
What?
Time? No, put all the
Once, my little sister was born.
Oh, shit. Guys, what's that down there?
Ooh. Oh, damn. Damn. Oh.
Okay, focus on the dark and then you guys will see that door just bloody open. Like this place is so paranormal. Holy crap.
Oh, dude, that door open.
Dude, that door just
opened. What the hell?
Okay, what's your scary story?
Okay, guys, okay. We're all in a room, okay? And our friend Dylan gets killed by a clown.
Oh shit.
I hate clowns.
I'm gonna do a clown sighting
Then
video.
he dragged it to Dylan.
Damn,
And
sexy.
Dylan was like, on the ground.
You know what? You wanna know a scary story?
I see Johnny stabbed.
Sanjay was born.
Oh, shit! Yeah, it's gonna kill
Oh. That's.
Okay, again, we see another door open. Like, what the fuck is going on? Holy crap.
Yes, she like every night you guys can see her climb up, or you can hear the screeches. You can hear the screeches. I don't know. Anyway, guys, we're all gonna die.
You're not gonna die though.
It has been a great video today.
It's out of these two that's gonna die first.
Yeah.
Sorry guys.
Alright, guys, please like, subscribe, and peace.
I'm the slutty teenager. I'm the slutty teenager.